265 and 262. Alright, now we have a complete set of competitors. This is sequence number 75, event number 59, Inter High School C Latin, final round. Adjudicators, please rank them accordingly. Alright, couples, if you're ready, here's your first dance. The Cha-Cha-Cha. Thank you so much, couples. Participants for the Intercollegiate C Latin, please stand by. Couples, please stand by for your second dance. Alright, couples, if you're ready, here's your second dance. The Rumba.
Today make the evening roll like the beach high, satisfy my heart. It's so good to feel love is all around. All the hearts is what my heart needs. Oh, to feel, baby. This is what my heart needs. To feel, baby. Satisfy my soul. Take away the pain. Something has to end. To begin again.
Thank you, couples. Once again, this is Inter High School C Latin, final round. Participants for the Intercollegiate C Latin, please stand by. Couples, please stand by for your last dance. Alright, couples, are you ready? Here's your third and final dance. Inside. you so much, couples. That concludes the final round for the Inter High School C Latin.